Alright, hey folks. Okay, these wings here, I put them in the oven, cook them up, and sprinkle a little bit of like the loose THC off the grinder on it. Just sometimes I do that, and I can get effects off it sometimes. So that's why I do it. So anyways, give me a moment. Good day and welcome to a Tasty Beer Pong 420 beer review. From the Bavaria beers out in my shop, Holland, there's a whole bunch of them. But they're not all available my way at the moment. I don't know if they ever will be. It's supposed to be here. But basically, we've always had the pint-sized can, and then like last year, the year before that, it's serving in the bottle. That's bigger than the can, and it's a special block. Surprisingly, I can get behind it, and I drank it years ago before and stuff. But now another version came in, and it's called Xtreme, and it's a flavored extra strong beer. I thought it was supposed to be this percentage version with lots of malt. So what flavor? It's Bavaria's 8.6, but with a 10.5% alcohol called Bavaria Xtreme. It's not even all in English. It's like, look at that. So what I can tell you folks about Bavaria Xtreme from the Bavaria Brewery, Leishout, Holland. Excuse me. 10.5 flavored extra strong beer, special beer ingredients, natural mineral water, barley, wheat hops, and natural flavor. Great. Stored, get some effects. So, cheers. Lagery beer, or it has something. I'm either just smelling like lager, or I'm smelling something, I swear. Pour it out now and see what happens. Dutch beer. Pop or sound to the pour. Whoa, man, what the hell? Yeah. You know what? It looks pretty light, or maybe not. There's moments where I think it looks way too light for 10.5%. And there's moments where it just looks like a slightly dark pale. Like there's maybe a little caramel color added, but so it looks like a bit of a darker pale lager. Maybe I don't know. I don't know exactly what Extreme's supposed to be. Not a horrible smell, but it just smells kind of like a little soapy, apple juicy, watery lager, and it doesn't actually smell like it's 10.5. It is nothing like the other Bavaria I know. This is extremely chuggable. It's just kind of like a gross and weird maltiness, water, and apple juice, and kind of gross aftertaste. It's fucked up. But this is just, I could pound it back and I'd be like, pounding the floor maybe? I don't know, shit, right? Watery, little apple juicy. I'm gonna be honest with you. Special Blonde at 7.9% under the Bavaria 8.6 actually is better than 10.5% Extreme. And you guys have yourselves a good one. Peace out.